will start by putting your finger underneath the first word of your decodable. Now I want you to whisper read to yourself. Now I want you to take your finger and go back to the first word in your decodable, and you are going to listen for my click. Each time you hear a click, you'll say a word out loud. I'll model this one first. Dog and fox are pals. Now your turn. All right, now I will read it to you so you can hear it fully. Dog and fox are pals. Turn your page. All right, whisper read this page to yourself. All right, ready? Put your finger under the first word. Listen for my click.
Dog and fox lip flop flop.
Good. Dog and fox flip flop plop. Turn your page. Whisper read this page to yourself. Take your finger and put it under the first word. Listen for my click.
Dog and fox hop day hop a lot.
Good. Dog and fox hop. They hop a lot. Turn your page. Whisper read this page to yourself. Okay, take your finger and put it under the first word and listen for my click.
Fox and toss to dog. Dog got it.
Good. Fox can toss to dog. Dog got it. Turn your page. All right, whisper read this page to yourself. Okay, take your finger and put it under the first word. Listen for my click.
A pal can do a lot. A pal can be fun too.
Good. A pal can do a lot. A pal can be fun too. Good job.